Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I almost forgot my name.
That's not a good start to the video, is it?
My name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Now this is all me today. This is all my patient, and this was an epic wax removal. There was loads in this particular ear canal. Now, just to give you a little bit, this patient came through and they'd actually been tested. Now bear that in mind when you come to see the ruler shot at the end, guys. They'd actually been tested elsewhere and was found to have a hearing loss, which I'm really not surprised looking at the amount of wax in here. But then provider that they saw was then talking about hearing aids and trying to get stuff sorted out. And honest to goodness, they said, "Oh, we won't be able to fit the hearing aids until you get the wax out." And they said, "Oh, I just got a little bit of wax to take away." I was like, you're having a laugh. This is absolutely chock-a-block. I said, there's no way on this earth they should be even thinking about testing you. But when you look at this, it is absolutely solid. And look, this wax is solid as a rock as well. It's really kind of, it's when that clay wax starts to harden, it gets this really thick outer layer.
I've had a few of these recently.
Yeah.
This type. Even
the Reiki Ret is struggling to just plough through it. It's not really coming through particularly well.
I had a lady day before yesterday, I think, where it was kind of like this, but the ear canal was wide and then it went really narrow and then it opened back up, but the block that was in there was really loose. So I just couldn't get it, because anytime I touched it, it just kept going further in.
Yeah.
I was like, oh no.
They're always the worst ones to do. Or if you've got, like you said, that hourglass shape to the ear canal, and then you've got this mobile piece of wax that's just through the gap.
That's what, yeah.
So you've got to kind of hold on to it with usually a fine end and jam it into the opening to wedge it before you can start trying to break it down.
That's pretty much what we ended up doing. I ended up having to kind of chip away at it, and just take little bits away, so that there was a little bit more space for me to get the tools in. But
I roll it sometimes like a ball. I need to break a little bit off and then turn it and break another bit off and turn it and keep doing that and then try to go the other way. Yeah.
It was a tough one. We got there though. We done it.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, look how deep this is.
I know. And you know, normally I don't go in with the sort of curettage this deep, but I knew that the suction just wouldn't cut it. You can look at that. Just look how thick that is. And, you know, don't forget, guys, this person will be tested like this. This is just absolutely ridiculous.
Bizarre.
It is. I just don't. That's just sales. That's all that is, isn't it? It's just a salesman doing that, because you wouldn't, if you were any kind of hearing care professional worth your salt, you wouldn't carry on and try and sell somebody a hearing aid knowing full well they're all that in their ears when you tested them.
It's something that we was, well, I know you was in university a long time before me, but something they actually teach you in university. You know, if there's a blockage or something obstructing the view of the eardrum, you know, it's got to be removed first before testing. So it's
it's not just for the sake of it affecting the test, but also you really want to see that patient's eardrum, because you've got no idea. You know, when we're taught otoscopy in sort of audiology school, if you like, when we're taught that, you are taught, you know, there are so many different conditions you can detect from otoscopy and visualizing your eardrum. I mean, there's so much that could be going on, and you've got no idea. If you can't see anything, you're going, oh well, yeah, it's probably just the wax that's causing an issue. First of all, your test results are going to be off. Then you're not going to be able to accurately diagnose what particular condition this patient might have. That's just ridiculous.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's not sales, honest to goodness. Audiology is not a sales, but you really, it's not a job for a salesman. It really isn't. Well, you'd probably earn a lot of money doing it. I'm sure you probably would, but you'd have to have no scruples at all to be able to do that. I'm telling you, I couldn't do it. I couldn't. There's no way. Anyway, I'll take my soapbox. I just ranted always for my way. That's me done. I can't. No, not doing it anymore. So yeah, I just got this last little bit now, but I was really hoping I'd be able to kind of scoop and the whole thing would come forwards.
I can see what you're trying to do. You're trying to see if you can get
that bottom to kick up. But it was just literally just going across the surface. It just was not coming away.
And as you mentioned, we're quite far in the ear there, so you can't really kind of go behind it, because you don't know. You can see the top of the eardrum, but you don't know, you know, what's behind it. So it's a tricky one.
So I was using a bit of suction. So well, I was at my rant. Sorry guys, I was using a bit of suction where I was trying to lift the front end, which is what I'm doing here. Is this the peace lily? Here we got hot fuzz. That's what I was going to sit there just hold my peace lily and rock back for. Honestly, guys, it's one of my biggest bugbears. I just, my word. Anyway, yeah, trying to lift up from the bottom and trying to pull that away. Do you see how I got the reference? We're like in sync, Taylor Green. Tell me. Oh, man. I don't know what that was.
It's been a long day. I'm tired. Right?
You're tired. Right? You came in tired this morning, but didn't you?
I am. Yeah,
it's all this exercise.
I was supposed to. I got up really early this morning. I was supposed to go for a run. I turned my alarm off and I fell back to sleep. So.
Because you're doing Cardiff Half, and you're coming up soon.
Yeah, on Sunday.
Sunday, is it?
Sunday.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you want me to stand on the side and throw you jelly babies?
Oh, that'd be lovely. That would be awesome. If you don't mind.
Yeah, no problem.
Near the end, though, I can't eat when I'm running, so I'll just do it near the end.
I'm going to do it like 2 minutes from the start. Just hand you a bag. I tell you what, I'm not very good at riding bikes. I would have ridden a bike next door to you, just held at the end. You could have just grabbed them as you go past.
Yeah, so if you're in Cardiff, give me a shout if you see me on there. I'm going to be head to toe in black.
Ooh, okay.
I hope the sun's not out.
I was going to say you were going to boil. Oh my word.
They are thin though, to be fair. I've got they're proper running gear. So
did you just say that lovely Mr. Taylor Green on the back?
No, it doesn't actually. No,
I missed a trick there, didn't you?
It just says Taylor.
Oh, it does your name on it?
Yeah, it has your name on the bib, yeah.
Oh, on your bib, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay, right, yeah. I think we just actually like made a t-shirt with your name on it.
No.
I was going to say, wow.
I'm not that crazy.
It's not got the back. If you're behind me, you're a loser. That's the back. Yeah.
If you ain't first, you're last.
What was the ones that used to have that on the back? Was it No Fear? There used to have there used to be like 2 eyes. I've gone back before. That's a long time ago now, actually.
No Fear, is it?
Is it No Fear brand? Yeah. They used to have one on the back. It was like, if you're not first place, if you're not first, you've lost, or something like that. There used to be like little motivational quotes.
I think I was going for was it Talladega Nights? Talladega Nights with
Will Ferrell.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they say it in there as well.
Is it?
They do the
I can't remember.
NASCAR racing, isn't it?
Oh, I remember that. I know the one you talk about. That Shake and Bake.
Ricky Bobby.
Yeah, Ricky Bobby. Yes.
So it's a really bad American accent.
We could do Shake and Bake. We can go
Shake and Bake. Oh, there we go. Like I missed it.
You came out the end. Oh, we got some dark. We added a bit of drama in, and then all went black.
Not the same on the other side.
Yeah.
I'm a cup of tea now.
Honest to goodness, there's no gaps in this at all. It is absolutely solid as a rock.
Is this like a first time removal then, or is this?
Honestly, I can't remember. I think basically the patient would be having difficulty with their hearing. They felt their hearing had got worse, hence why they went along to another provider, and they were like, oh yeah, no problem. Let's test you. Let's see what's going on. Really, honest to goodness, I know. It's that kind of layer of thick.
Yeah, this looks like prehistoric, doesn't it? It looks like really old stuff.
It's like welcome to Jurassic Park. I better not do it because they'll flag us for copyrighted music. There you go.
There's been no audio on this. Let's just move in.
Oh, look at that! That was almost a skin ribbon. Nice.
So it's always the really, really old ones you get really good skin ribbons on, isn't it? The ones that have been in there for years.
Yeah. Not the patients, the wax.
Oh no, yeah.
I know Katie this week as well, guys. She's not very well, liver, today, on the day we're doing our voiceover. So yeah, she's not here this afternoon, which is, we always do the voiceovers on a particular day in the afternoon. And yeah, she's not here today, so there'll be no Katie this week, although we have got one of her videos to voice over.
It's an interesting one.
I can't remember what's
I don't actually know where it is, but I'm going to say it's
going to be... I think it's a long one. I think it's about 10 or 12 minutes. Yeah,
it's a long one. It's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
We're going off the cuff.
We are. Yeah, because literally neither of us will know what's going on in that video either, will we? No.
We'll have to guess.
Let's just see if we can guess what tool she's going to use.
Yeah.
We'll do that. Oh. Yeah, it was all trapped behind that. Oh, look at it. It's all trapped behind that skin. And I was like, oh, you're joking. It's going all the way back down. Ooh. Have I spotted a little gap there?
Up in the, oh yeah, I was looking.
Yeah, just bat it. There
That's
you go.
That's what I was looking.
Yeah.
Ooh, I can just about see the eardrum there now. Not at this shot, but you can just see that little grey. There we are, top left.
Just a teeny tiny bit at the top. So what I've done now is, because I've created a gap, I'm going to find it difficult to get behind the back end. So I'm trying to lift this front end, because if I can make it two things, if I can detach it from the canal wall, sometimes the whole thing will detach, you'll be able to pull it out. But if not, if I can just attach the front end, if I do go for a scoop further back, it's going to bring this whole thing forwards. Oh, I don't know, it might have made it mobile actually.
I was going to say, that looks like it could come out.
Yeah.
Just with the suction. That's going to need a turbo wiggle.
We're going to have to do some serious wiggling to get that out of that hole. Is it going to go? No.
That's getting the grip, isn't it? I think you're just struggling to get the grip.
Yeah. What's going to happen? Is it just going to break the front? Yeah, there we go. Oh, I don't know, might need to bring it forward slightly. Oh no, I don't think. Oh, I did this and I can't even remember. Look at that, chunky.
Oh, that was a good one. Oh, it's still coming as well.
I know. Oh, hey, look. Australian St. Bart's Rock there. I know, right, correct. Neil's just been to Australia as well. Perhaps it was one of the ones he took to Australia. Like it's going upside down.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe it was upside down. Yeah, there you go. That should come out now.
Yeah, that's looking good, isn't it? Ooh, nice. Last little bit.
Squeaky now, squeaky clean. Yeah, a little bit of tidying up now.
Let's have a look, make sure that eardrum looking lovely and healthy.
Yeah.
Now, Pete, agree, look at that. Wow. I almost ran out of ruler.
Looks like you've just gone outside and just picked up a load of
leaves,
gravel, leaves off the floor. Yeah.
I think that was about 2 3/4 inches. It went off the screen quicker than we could think of.
Just under 7 centimeters, I think that was in.
That was a beastly one. And they don't forget, they tested that person and said they needed hearing aids with that in their ears. Well, guys, if you did enjoy the videos, what am I doing now? Yes, if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow and subscribe. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos and my ranting about poor practice, you can always consider becoming members and I'll do it even more for you guys every single week. But apart from that, guys, as always,
I'll just continue to give him some
calming things. A little teddy and everything now, a security teddy.
In the next one, yeah.
An emotional support bag. Well, guys, as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.